Alright, Robbo here. Today I'm going to ride the track along the western side of the North Wall Beach at Coffs Harbour down near the Jetty, also known as the Park Beach Dog Park. We're starting at Dolphin Marine Conservation Park and we're riding back to the middle car park at the Jetty. Alright, hope you enjoy this. This should be a good run. We're going through the market, so there'll be a little bit of walking, but it's always a good thing to see. Let's go check this out. Let's do it. Across the road, and we'll go past where the creek comes out. It's always good. Road over there floods every time it rains properly on the other side of the creek there. The old railway bridge still in operation. Major swimming spot here. Kids absolutely love it. Beep beep, just coming past. Cheers, thank you. Very popular with the walkers through here. Very popular on a Sunday morning. Living in such a beautiful place. Hey. Pass. Big car park at the Jetty where everybody camps. Free camping in Coffs Harbour. It's a good thing, I think. Elaborate setups by the day. The other end of the North Wall Beach. I do live in paradise. I do love it here.
Like, oh, sorry.
It's the beach. Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, your favourite part of the walk.
Right. Across the road, over to the markets. Crossing up here, safer. Let's walk this bit. There's markets on every Sunday. Very popular. Very good. appreciation. Thank you. It's the shop where I buy my strawberries and blueberries from. Buy meat from these fellas. And all the fruit and veg. How good is this stuff? Alright. Alright, back on the ride, back to the car. This is the touch of the market, so it was all the fruit stalls and all that sort of stuff. And Navy Cadets depot to my left, just there. Still building it. Sticky birds. Tell springs in the air. Beautiful, isn't it? Love it. Back at the middle car park, Jetty Beach, spot where I usually park to go swimming. I like swimming down here so much. It's very popular though, it's not normally this many cars here at this time. It's a good argument why we need to keep this car park. The council's talking about getting rid of it, but its popularity is obviously there. Alright, I'm back in my car. Hope it was a good ride, checking the markets out and the walkway. Everybody with their doggos and everything. It's been a good morning. Alright, signing off. Like, subscribe, all that U-Butte stuff. And I'll see you on the next video. Okay, catches you.